There's a lot of yerba mala in this space. That's how we call it in Puerto Rico to the bagweed. I want to solve that problem, so I took out everything. And then comes the hard work, take out all the rocks. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to reuse some of the rocks and do a new design. Please stay with me to the end and enjoy this one day project. I was so tired doing only one part, so I asked my husband for help, and guess what? It's going to rain. We have to stop for a while because of the weather, but like I said, it's one day project. Look at that. Look at the weather. It's all the rocks that we buy at Lowe's. It's gone. We've finished taking out the rocks, and my husband is cleaning the sidings. We use this plastic sheet from Lowe's as a weed barrier. We cover all the space with double plastic, and now I want to create a dragonfly design with these white big rocks from Lowe's. Use that gray drain rocks to cover around the dragonfly. I tried to create different designs using also pink and white rocks. This is the last part, putting the rocks. Yuppie, 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 it is done! I'm going to use the solar lights around the space. They are $9.99 from Amazon. And this is the final result, but I decided to put more solar lights. And I went to Dollar Tree and got these beautiful sunflower solar lights. I want to put them in the pink rock path. And at night, I have this beautiful, spectacular scene of lights that integrates perfect in all my garden.